Hello guys, welcome back in another Mafia City video, and today we are going to continue the topic which I made in my couple of previous video before, that this player with 1.4 billion power is a hacker. I tell you that this player is hacker in this game, and we are going to talk a little bit more about this, and I'm going to discuss a really new point which I know just from recent couple of hours before, and I think about this a lot, and I will share you with you guys. Maybe this one is more realistic. So before this, if you like Mafia City content, then subscribe to this channel and like this video, because I upload daily Mafia City videos. Very important one, you can check on my channel my previous videos. There are a lot of different topics I'm covering, which will help you to increase your battle statistic faster and better, and become more stronger player in this game. Even if you are not spending in this game, or if you're spend, it doesn't matter, because I cover all of your topic, guys. So make sure to subscribe this channel. Now back to our topic. I was talking about the Q Sarah player, that this player is hacker in my couple of previous video before, and I come to another conclusion in this video, that maybe this player is not a hacker. But now you will guys think, well, why are you saying it's not a hacker? I cover some points in this which I'm going to tell you right now. If you don't see this video, go and check out my previous video. I will give you a link in description about this player, that how this player is hacker. What I cover in this video, I will give you a quick summary, that this player is not in the ranking. Wait, I will show you this player power first. If you have not seen, this player is 1.4 billion power, and when I go in ranking, power ranking history, and here we see all, oh, this is my city power ranking history, and you can see in this ranking there are top player in this game, and this player have 1.4 billion power. Then this player should be in this ranking, just on right on 9 number of spot. 1.4 billion power player is not in this ranking, because this player is not coming. So I was guessing that this player might be a hacker, which can be true also, but there is something really interesting I think about this, and I think this might be more realistic than this hacking thing. And this player have statistic of 3200 biker attack in January. I checked this player battle report. I saw this player in governor, and this city is so much new, guys. If you don't know, that this city is 1062 city, and this city is so much new, like 2-3 month old city, and you cannot get 3200 biker attack in any kind of way if you are playing this game for 3 months. This player on this power ranking, what I show you, are playing this game for like 4 years, 2 years, 3 years, and they have this kind of biker attack, and they max this out. But you are telling me that somebody come and max out this biker attack in 3200 biker attack in just 2 and 3 months? Then what the hell this player are doing, this other player? There is no reason for them to play in this game, because someone just new will come and become as strong as them, or maybe even more stronger. So this is not realistic at all. And then this player is not even showing in power ranking history, because they don't want everybody to know about this player yet. And how you think what I'm trying to tell you now? I will tell you that this player is maybe from game. This developer, this Yotta Games, trying to send their developer to play this game, or whoever from their company, and he max out everything in this game faster, and making other people in city sending like couple of player like this who spend in this game, and promoting to spend on this game. If you see this player, he spent so much in this game, then this couple of player in his clan maybe want to spend too. They will think that he spent so much, and I will spend too to become as good as him, and this is beneficial for this game. As you can see, there's another player in this game which is 500,000 power, which is more realistic, and maybe this player get encouraged by seeing this player Sarah, that I will spend to and become as strong like him. So this, then in the end, who is getting benefit from this all is Mafia City, Yotta Games, because This is how they are making people spend in this game now, and which is completely wrong. You can promote your package, but you are now changing. You are now changing how this game works. You are changing how people spend. You are doing wrong things to make people spend in this game. This player can destroy anything in this city or in another city, and which can promote people to spend or quit this game. And Yotta Games completely know about this, and they are using their own game to people to spend in a wrong way. And this is completely wrong from me, guys. I want to know your opinion about this. What you think? This is what I think about this. That my theory that this is from game, and he maxed out everything, and encouraging other people to spend too and become like him. And this will make more people to spend in this game, and they will, and in the end Yotta game will get more money, which is completely wrong. So guys, this is my theory about this new theory. One is hacker and another is from game. What do you think? What is more realistic in this game, realistic about this player? You can share in comment section, because share your opinion in comment section, guys. What you think about this player, because this is what I think. So I want to know your opinion, that this player is hacker or someone from game trying to make people spend more. And let's see what you guys say. Comment in the comment video, guys, make sure. And I will, if I find anything new about this player, if you don't know this player battle report, go check out my previous video. In this video I shared this player real battle report, you can see, and you will get shocked too. So make sure to check out that video. I will give link in description. So this was the video about this player in Mafia City. Lot of more Mafia City videos coming in future, so make sure to subscribe. We'll catch you in another one. Until then, take care, stay safe, peace.